Tip-off goes to Minnesota. They swipe it. Drops in the breakaway layup. Minnesota on D. ABC. Oh!
How did he get that one over the top of him? He's given up a lot of inches in that matchup, but you wouldn't know it after that throwdown.
And from downtown, Russell, no luck. Here's Jordan. ABC. And he's knocked off course by the D. The foul called. He'll shoot free throws. First trip to the line for him here. And he makes the first. And the Nets making a change here. He hits both from the stripe. Quarter getting underway. No team gaining an edge so far. And taking a look at the Nets' performance here, guys, what jumps out to you, stats-wise? Boom, he jams it straight down. Left side, Turner. And here we go. And the power foul. Johnson outside. Stolen. And they're moving it up. And he gets it to go.
You know, he's putting on an outstanding offensive display.
Well, you look at ABC in this game, he's been everywhere. Brooklyn with the ball. It's a one-point game. Shot denied. They retain possession. Turner comes with the double team. Back to Irving. He lobs up the alley-oop pass. Throws down the alley-oop slam. ABC trains it from 17 feet out. Here's Durant. Six to shoot. And he lobs it up toward the rim. Up high to stuff the alley-oop. And the Nets making a change here. ABC, the finger roll finish at the bucket. He's got 20.
That makes it 10 of their last 12 points coming from inside the painted area.
All alone. Oh! Inside Durant. Pass to Irving. Back to Durant. Throws it up high. Outside Irving. Oh, he's going up for the alley-oop here. ABC. Beasley comes with the double team. Outside Durant. ABC. And the bucket counts, and he's on his way to the free throw line to try to make it a three-point play.
Absolutely massive free throws. That'll force them into a three-point attempt.
And the Timberwolves call time here. What do you think, guys? Pass to Russell. puts up the tray. The shot no good. And now we've got the intentional foul. Good on the first, and that the Nets making a switch here. Second one is good, getting both at the line,
And that's exactly how you close the game out. Those free throws will bury them for sure.
and the Timberwolves call time here. Guys, your thoughts? Outside Turner. Back to Johnson. Russell. To halt the run. Recovered.